What's up, guys? Today I'm going to show you how to remove a background in Photoshop. So here's my subject right here. There's this fancy new tool. Make sure this is selected right here. And there is a fancy new tool. When you click on this right here, you go up to Select Subject. Now watch what it does. Boom! Selected the subject. Look at that. So if you go into Select and Mask, you can actually make changes to that based on how smooth you want it to be, if you want the feather to be up. Contrast, you can change that. Soften it down, you can shift your edge to shrink it or grow it. I think shrinking it's probably best to do, but look how good it worked with that hair. Might clean up some things around here, but I think that looks pretty good. So you select OK, and then you press this little button down here in the bottom corner to make the mask. Look at that. So here's my little mask here. There's the new one. Got this other image. If I do the same thing, it'll work pretty well. So you go down here, make sure your layer is selected, select and mask. So you go to select subject. Boom, look at that. So if you ever want to adjust a selection, you have to make sure that it stays selected. Then you go to select and mask, and then you can change how that looks in here. But yeah, this select and mask, these settings are awesome. Boom, look at that.